What's up guys, Jay here from Commodic Reviews, and in this video, I'm gonna be talking about my top 5 reasons kung bakit why I think the Insta360 Go 3 is one of the best, or if not the best, vlogging camera that you can buy today. Let's go! By the way, itong video na to is not a sponsored video. Binili ko tong camera na to kasi pumunta kami ng New Zealand recently and gusto kong mag-snowboard and gusto kong ma-capture yung pag-snowboard ko and I needed an action camera kaya ito yung binili ko. So, this is mine. So, hindi to sponsored ng Insta360 pero malay mo naman, Insta360, baka pag-sponsor tayo ng video dyan. Anyway, so continue tayo dito sa review natin. My top 1 reason, simple and easy setup. Ito sobrang importante sa akin ito. So typically, before I had this camera, ang setup ko para sa mga travel vlogs ko is ito. I have my Sony ZV-1 camera or minsan yung Sony Alpha 6400 yung ginagamit kong camera. Then I have to have a gimbal para stable yung shots ko. So kahit yung mga shots lang na nagsasalita ako sa harapan ng camera, I have to use a gimbal para dun nga sa stability. Now, yung Sony ZV-1 has its own stabilizer pero hindi pa rin siya ganun ka-stable, no? So, sometimes I really have to use this or else I have shaky shots. Hindi naman ganun ka-steady yung kamay ko kapag kumukuha ako ng shots. So, yun, yung ganun yung nangyari. But just imagine, ito yung setup mo. And sometimes, just because I have to have this setup and yung sa mga nakagamit na ng gimbal, you know na hindi ganun kadali minsan mag-setup ng gimbal. Kailangan mo i-balance yung camera and then, yun nga, ikakap mo pa siya dito para lang meron ka nito. And then, saka lang kayo makaka-shoot. So, just imagine, you have to have that para lang mag-shoot. So, ang nangyari sa akin, may mga moments ako na nami-miss just because kailangan ko pang gawin tong setup na to. But with this camera, I don't have to do that. Why? It has its own stabilizer and wala na akong kailangan ilagay or idikit sa kung saan ikabit. Hindi ko na kailangan ilagay sa gimbal. And all I need to do is just to press that record button, shoot, and then I have stable shots and I have myself talking in front of the camera without having those shaky shots. Sobrang importante nun na ganun lang siya kadali para nga mas marami kang ma-shoot na video kaysa yung tatamarin kang mag-setup. Dahil tatamarin ka ng mag-setup, hindi ka na makaka-shoot or hindi ka na lang mag-shoot ng mga parang nangyayari dun sa travel ninyo. Number 2, versatility. Versatility kung paano nyo gagamitin tong camera na to. So together with yung camera mismo and the accessories na kasama kapag binili nyo siya, this camera will give you a lot of creative freedom kung paano nyo i-shoot yung mga shots ninyo. So for example, one of the accessories na included kapag binili nyo to is this magnetic mount. So pwede nyo i-connect yung camera nyo ng ganyan. Yan. So it's just magnetic. Pero kayo mag-alala, meron din siyang clip na kasama kaya matigas-tigas yan or matibay yan. Hindi basta-bastang matatanggal dyan. In fact, you have to press this clip para lang matanggal siya. Like that. Now, ito yung setup ko almost the whole time or a big majority of that yung mga videos na shot ko is just this setup here. And in fact, this camera, mayroon siyang screen sa likod na nafe-flip. And that's what's gonna help you pagdating dun sa mga shots ninyo, especially yung mga talking shots when you are just talking in front of the camera and you can see yourself dun sa screen na yun. So that's one way of using this camera. Then, together with this accessory, meron din siyang sticky mount na nasa ilalim. So itong sticky mount na to, pwede nyo siyang ilagay or idikit sa kung saan-saan and then it's gonna give you that shot na obviously hands-free and you're just gonna shoot your videos. Now, I use this a lot kapag nasa biyahe kami and I just want to show yung loob ng kotse. So, ilalagay ko lang to, ididikit ko lang to sa windshield and then, yun, nakita na yung loob ng kotse. Also, ginamit ko rin tong ganitong setup a lot kapag yung nasa biyahe kami and I want to show yung sceneries habang naggabiyahe. So, ilalagay ko to in front of the dash, no, sa dash, sa harapan sa auto and then, yun, nakikita na yung daan kung saan kami nagda-drive. Then, The next one is just the fact na pwede nyo rin tong kabitan or ilagay sa tripod. So ito natatanggal to and you have this screw thread sa ilalim and you can connect it sa mga ganitong klaseng tripod or yung mga kahit yung mga ibang tripod pa, no? But this is one example. So ito is a Gorilla Pod and you can use it together with this. Now, may isa pa tong form factor. So this is one of the form factors nitong camera na to. But actually, yung camera dito, yung mismong action cam, ito lang talaga. So ito yung nakikita nyo to. Ito lang talaga yung action cam. So pwede nyo siyang tanggalin. And kapag tinanggal nyo siya dun sa action pod, this one is gonna give you a lot, again, of versatility on how you can shoot your videos. So, dahil maliit lang siya, pwede nyo siyang idikit sa kung saan-saan, i-tape nyo sa kung saan-saan, or isuot nyo sa kung saan-saan. For example, if you wanna take a shot na parang first person view or POV ng mga, let's say, ilagay nyo sa loob ng baso and then nagpo-pour kayo ng tubig sa baso. Because of how small this is, syempre, kasyang-kasya to sa baso. Now, sa accessories, nakasama dito, ito kasama to, which is a clip, no? Magnetic clip again. And with this, ang ginagawa typically, which I use a lot din sa vlog ko is, ayan, ikakabit nyo siya sa sombrero ninyo and then there you go. That's gonna give you a first person view or POV ng mga shots na gusto nyo gawin. I use this again a lot for, let's just say, nung nagpunta kami sa FIFA Women's World Cup matches, gusto kong i-share experience, yung from the gate, from yung pagpasok sa gate, paghanap ng upuan, yung panonood mismo ng matches. Ganito yung setup ko kasi yun nga, gusto kong parang first person view yung experience nung manonood. Then at the same time, ito again, pwede nyo tanggalin. May kasama ulit itong isa pang accessories which is yung magnetic necklace. Kasama which is this one. So again, this can give you, isusot nyo lang, and then you can connect this here magnetically, and then again, you just have another way of doing your first person view shots or POV shots with this. Kung gusto nyo ng medyo mas subtle, pwede nyo itong ilagay sa loob ng damit ninyo, and then i-clip nyo lang. So as you can see, diba? Parang wala lang. Hindi mapapansin yan ng mga sinadaanan nyo. Naglalakad kayo and you just want to take that shot. Very subtle na nandyan yan. And as you can see, matibay yung magnet to the point na kahit medyo makapal tong gamit nating hoodie, nakadikit pa rin siya. So, right. So, there you go. As you can see, you have a lot of flexibility and creative freedom. There's a lot of versatility on how you can use this action camera. Number 3, mic quality. Typically, kapag nagre-record ako ng mga vlogs ko, I use an external mic together with my cameras. Whether it's my ZV-1 Alpha 6400 or even my cell phone, whenever I record videos, I will use an external mic para mas sure ako dun sa audio quality. But with this camera, to my surprise, nung ginamit ko siya na wala akong external mic, ang ganda pa rin ng audio quality. So, I didn't have to worry about connecting a mic here. Ito lang, again, just the camera itself, press that record button, and then go record na. And yun nga, no, maganda yung audio quality na nakuha. To be honest, yung setup na yon, hindi talaga yun yung intention ko. Mayroon akong external mic na kinonect dito, but for some reason, hindi siya gumagana. So, na no choice ako, and I have to just use the internal mic nito. And to my surprise, as I've mentioned, no, nung pinakinggan ko yung mga recordings, ang ganda pa rin, pasok pa rin para sa akin yung audio quality nitong camera to. So there we go. Mic quality is important for me, and this one satisfies yung requirements ko. Alright, so we're leaving this place, itong sobrang gandang lugar ng Lake Teka po. And kanina umaga sobrang foggy, so ang hirap niyang makita. Pero ngayon, tingnan mo naman, napaka-sunny and sobrang ganda pa rin ng view. As you can see, o diba, ang baba ng ulap doon, tapos meron kang icy mountains doon, tapos meron kang lake dito, and then meron kang woods doon sa banda doon. Ayun, tapos meron ka rin, o diba, solid, ang ganda ng view talaga. Number 4 is a shooting option na meron tong camera na to called free frame video. So ano yung free frame video? What it allows you is just to shoot your video like normally, and then sa post or sa pag-e-edit, pwede nyo piliin kung ano yung aspect ratio na gusto niyo, kung 16:9 or yung parang landscape na orientation, or 9:16 na parang portrait na orientation, or 4:5 or 1:1. You will have to use yung software ng Insta360 for that, but that's what it does. It allows you to do or make a decision kung ano yung aspect ratio sa post or sa edit na without losing too much information. Minsan kasi, di ba, we're shooting videos ng landscape, yung pala i-upload natin sa mga portrait na mga videos like yung mga pang TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Facebook and Instagram Reels. So, medyo weird yung video natin. Minsan naman, portrait yung kuha natin, yung pala i-upload natin siya sa mga horizontal na aspect ratio or landscape, yung aspect ratio like yung normal na YouTube video. So, weird din yung shot natin kasi magkakaroon ng parang dalawang black na sa bawat side, right? Na parang black bands. With this, you can make that decision later on. So you don't have to worry if you have to shoot landscape or portrait. Just shoot it like normal, make that decision later. Number 5, last but not the least, pero still very important para sa akin, yung size and weight. So ito, nakita nyo, maliit lang yung camera, kasya nga siya, kaya ko nga siyang hawakan ng ganyan, kasyang-kasya sa bulsa natin. So kapag hindi tayo nag-shoot, hindi natin muna kailangan, pwede lang natin ilagay sa bulsa natin. Compare mo yan dito sa ganitong setup, no? Ito, maliit pa nga to, digital cam lang to na point and shoot ZV-1. Paano pa kung gumagamit ka ng mas malaking camera na may interchangeable lens, mas malaki pa yung setup mo, and then may gimbal ka pa na gagamitin, so mas malaki na and mas mabigat pa. Ang net effect niyan, ito, hindi mabulsa, and then at the same time sa luggage ninyo, no, let's just say kapag na-travel kayo sa, syempre yung mga luggage natin or yung mga hand carry natin, for example, may mga weight limit yan, and itong setup na to can be heavy, well, especially if you compare that to just having this na sobrang gana and yung size maliit lang, so very portable, very handy, and that's a big plus para sa akin pagdating sa isang vlogging camera. Alright, there you go. Those are my top 5 reasons why I believe that Insta360 Go 3 is one of the best, if not the best vlogging camera right now. Now, while I believe it's the best vlogging camera, meron pa rin tong syempre mga onting flaws or something na pwede, you might have to check out or watch out before buying it. Number 1 is yung hindi interchangeable yung battery niya. So, yung wala tong yung battery na natatanggal katulad sa mga GoPros or sa mga Insta360 kung ano yung battery niya, that's it. Yung battery life nito is 2.5 hours kapag you're using the action cam together with the action pod. Pero if you're just gonna use yung mismong action pod, it's around 45 minutes if I'm not mistaken. So kapag naubos yan, there's a little bit of downtime kasi kailangan yung i-charge muna to bago nyo ulit magamit. Number 2 is wala siyang micro SD slot card. So kung ano yung memory na nabili nyo, that's it. So ang advice ko dyan, bilhin nyo na yung pinakamalaking memory na kaya ng budget ninyo. So, ang pinakamalaking memory nito is 128 gigs. So, yan yung binili nating option para hindi tayo worried na baka maubusan na tayo ng memory while we are shooting videos. And then, obviously, thirdly, since wide lens lang to, kapag gusto nyo ng medyo mga zoomed in na mga B-roll shots or mga cinematic shots na slow motion, this is not gonna be the camera for that. So, ako ang ginagawa ko dyan, yung secondary camera ko is yung mga cellphone ko na lang. No? So, kasi mga cellphone naman natin, kaya na mag-shoot ng 4K 60 and then medyo cinematic in the tank, tapos may mga tele lens na rin, diba? So, yun na lang yung ginagamit ko together with this. Again, portable pa rin, magaan. So, this together with my cellphones. Alright, so that's it for this video. Now, what do you think of this camera? Let me know in the comments section below. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.